Barbie ride-on cars and Jeeps absolutely weren't meant to hit 70 miles per hour or most top out at a speedy 5 miles per hour. But what would happen if one did hit those kind of speeds? That's what one bold YouTuber, Edwin Olding of the DE channel Grind Hard Plumbing Company, wanted to know. So he slapped a customized Honda dirt bike engine under the hood of a Barbie Power Wheels Ford Mustang, added a few old go-kart parts for safety and stuff, and then took to the open track. The results, which he posted in a video, were insane.ADVERTISEMENT. I wanted to find the cutest Barbie Power Wheels car online and turn it into a drift kart, Olding told the automotive site The Drive. The Barbie Mustang Go-Kart took 4 days to build, and he took his hot pink speed machine for a test drive in this crazy video, which shows him really pushing the toy car to the max. It looks nearly uncontrollable, and aside from hitting 5 miles per hour over the speed limit, Olding goes downhill, spins out, does donuts, and even narrowly avoids a tumble off the side of a cliff. Not bad for a toy that was never meant to hold anyone older than 10 years old. It goes without saying, don't try this at home.